Welcome to my review of Zenkit, a comprehensive project management tool that promises to help you organize tasks, manage teams, and collaborate effectively. Let's dive straight into the interface and features, starting with the homepage. Upon logging in, you'll see a clean, user-friendly dashboard. It's easy to get started, with several templates available for projects, tasks, and team collaboration. Zenkit offers a flexible workspace where you can switch between different views like list, board, table, calendar, and mind map. This adaptability makes it great for different types of workflows. The list view is perfect for those who prefer a more traditional approach to task management, while the board view resembles tools like Trello, giving you a visual way to manage tasks. Many useful links can be found in the description below, so be sure to check those out after watching the video. Zenkit also includes a feature called Tags, which helps you categorize tasks and items for easy filtering. This is especially useful when you're working on larger projects with multiple tasks. Next, let's talk about collaboration. Zenkit allows you to invite team members and assign tasks, making it an excellent choice for team-based projects. You can leave comments on tasks, share files, and track changes in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page. The app also supports integrations with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zapier. Zenkit is highly customizable. You can create custom fields, labels, and even automations that help streamline your workflow. Another standout feature is its mobile app, which gives you the freedom to manage tasks on the go. The app mirrors the desktop version in terms of functionality, and syncing across devices is seamless. I tested Zenkit. I found it to be very responsive and quick. The interface is intuitive, but there is a slight learning curve with all the customization options available. However, once you get the hang of it, Zenkit can be a powerful tool to manage personal projects or work with a team. For those looking for a free version, Zenkit does offer a free plan, but with limited features. The premium plans unlock more advanced capabilities, such as additional integrations and automation options. If you're serious about project management, investing in a paid plan might be worth it. Overall, Zenkit is a well-rounded project management platform that caters to both individual users and teams. Whether you're looking for a simple task manager or an all-in-one collaboration platform, Zenkit provides the flexibility to meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.